So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of elements and shapes right here. And let's say what you want to do is you want to add in images. In that case, you can actually go around and go to the images section right here. So once you go around onto images right here, you can search around for images that you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and search around for nature image right here, just like this. And then you can see the nature related images that you can utilize. So I'm going to go around and say nature green right here, just like this. And once I do that, what happens is that you get more greener nature, as you can see right here. Click on it right here. And then let me just go around and go for free download over here, just like this. And utilize this, and what happens is that the image will be downloaded out right here. So you can see that, let me just go around and close it out right here. You can see that the image is inserted, and these are free to use, but you do need to add in attributes and acknowledge them. So that is how you can go around and utilize the images, and they are from 123rf.com right here. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.